Different types of garlic, all you need to know about garlic. Garlic is a popular and versatile ingredient used in cooking all over the world. There are several different types of garlic, each with its own unique flavor and characteristics. Here are some of the most common types of garlic. 1. Softneck garlic. This is the most commonly found garlic in supermarkets and grocery stores. Softneck garlic has a soft stem that can be braided and is known for its pungent flavor. 2. Hardneck garlic. Hardneck garlic has a hard stem and is often favored by gourmet chefs. It has a more complex flavor profile than softneck garlic and is also easier to peel. 3. Elephant garlic. Elephant garlic is much larger than other types of garlic and has a milder, sweeter flavor. It is not actually a true garlic but rather a type of leek. 4. Purple striped garlic. Purple striped garlic has a purple coloration on its bulb and is known for its rich, bold flavor. 5. Rocambole garlic. Rocambole garlic has a distinctive, robust flavor and is often used in traditional Italian and French cooking. 6. Asiatic garlic. Asiatic garlic has a milder, sweeter flavor than other types of garlic and is often used in Asian cuisine. 7. Creole garlic. Creole garlic has a mild, sweet flavor and is often used in Cajun and Creole cooking. 8. Each type of garlic can be used in a variety of dishes, but some are better suited for certain recipes than others. Experimenting with different types of garlic can help you discover new flavors and enhance your cooking. Subscribe to our channel, comment and press the bell button to stay notified about our new videos.